Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up content collection in Wix CMS. This is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to organize and manage dynamic content on your website, whether you're building a blog, portfolio, product catalog, or any other content-driven site. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with several options. From here, click on Website to proceed to your website management area. Now you'll be able to preview the website settings you currently have. This is an important step because you want to make sure that this is the correct website where you wish to set up your content collection. If you manage multiple sites, double-check that you've selected the right one before moving forward. From this page, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it fairly easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it. This button will take you directly into the editing environment where you can make changes to your site's structure and content. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. From here, look for the CMS button located on the left navigation panel of your screen and click on it. This is your gateway to managing all dynamic content on your site. This is where your content collection is located and managed. To set one up, simply click on Create Collection. A small window will appear prompting you on how you wish to create your collection. You'll see three options through AI, CSV import, or starting from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll use the Start from Scratch option to cover the CMS creation and setup from top to bottom. This gives you complete control over every aspect of your collection. Once you've selected Start from Scratch, click Next to continue. Now it's time to define your collection. Start by entering a name for your collection. Choose something descriptive that reflects the type of content you'll be storing, like blog posts, products, or team members. Then choose the type of collection you wish to use, either multiple item collection or single item collection. A multiple item collection is used when you have several entries of the same type, while a single item collection is for unique standalone content. Once you've made your selection, click on Create. A CMS dashboard will open up, and this is where you'll populate your collection with actual content. Now start adding your collection by clicking on the Add Item button or link. You'll be able to enter a title and a description for each item. You can also add an image to make your content more visual and engaging. Take your time to populate the CMS fields or the collection with all the relevant information you need. Once you've added your first item, close the dashboard. You'll see the collection you've created listed under the Your Collection tab from the CMS section, ready to be used throughout your website. And that's it. You've successfully set up a content collection in Wix CMS, giving you a powerful way to manage dynamic content across your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.